Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of National Security, Matthew Samuda, says as many as 200 Klansman gangsters are being targeted as part of the crime reduction strategy in St. Catherine. Now, Mr. Samuda was responding to questions about increased crime in the parish. The St. Catherine North Police Division has particularly been tense in the last week following several murders, including the murder of a grandmother and her two little girls.
We have been actively pursuing the demolition of the gangs in that area, most notably the Klansman gang. We have over 60 members of the Klansman gang in custody. Now, they're probably close to 200 more that we are targeting, but there's definitely a lot of work taking place in the area. But I think important to note, and a fact that we cannot escape, is that this area was under much better control under recent states of emergency that would have come to an end. And denying that those measures were working simply defies logic and statistics.